Hello, today we are going to work with the standard probabilities table using the Z-score. And the Z-score allows us to calculate the probability of falling below a certain value or a certain observation. Okay, so if we take on the following example, right, we need 5, 8, 10, 12. So those are our observations. We calculate from that the mean value, okay, which is 8.75. We calculate the standard deviation, which is 2.98. Okay, and then from that we can calculate the Z-score for every single value. For example, the Z-score of 5 in this case is 5 minus 875 over the standard deviation, which is 2.8. Okay, so a quick calculation for that, okay, will give us minus 125. Okay, quick way now, can we do for the value which is 10? So Z score for 10, this is 10 minus 875 over the standard deviation, which is 2.98. That should give us 0.41. Okay, another practice. Z score for 12, that's 12 minus 875 over 2.98 equal 1.09. Right, so now if we have the following example, we would like to calculate the probability of, so probability that an observation, okay, an observation X will be below 10. Okay, so that is very simple. So that is the same as the probability that Z is less. What is the Z for 10? We found it already. This one, less than 0.41. So all what we have to do really is we go to our table and we find 0.41. So we have 0.40 here, then we carry on, and that's the other side in here. Okay, so this is the value which relates 0.4 with 0.01 to give me 0.41. So the probability of being below this value, so now this value is in fact 0.41, but being below is actually 0.6591. If you want to make it in percentage, you simply multiply by 100, and so this is 65.91%. Now, if you want to practice more, what is the probability that X is actually above 12? Okay, so in fact, we are looking now for this space in here. Okay, but you being above 12. So that is the same thing again as the probability that Z, so instead of X, we put now Z. Instead of 12 now, we put its value, which is 109. Okay. Now, the only problem now is that the standard distribution table gives us values below a certain value, and it doesn't give us values above a certain value. But we have an idea. We know that the whole of this, in fact, is 100%. Okay. So in order to find this small bit here, we can do it this way. You're gonna do 100% minus the probability of actually being below. So minus the probability of x being below 12. Why below? Because the standard distribution table gives us the values below. Now again, 100% minus, we replace that by their standard values. So z less than 109. Okay. And so that's 100% again, minus, what is z less than 109? So we look for 109 in the table. I'm gonna erase these now, we don't need them anymore. Okay, so I look for 1 first, okay, 1 0, and then I carry on until I find 1 0. Sorry, I think it's just a little mistake here. There we go. So that's the one in here. Okay, so that is 8621. So 8621 obviously is 86%. So 86.21%. Okay, and so the value will be simply 13.79%. 13.79. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed the video, and see you soon in another video. Thank you.